Well, welcome everybody. Our next guest, I have the pleasure and honor of speaking with someone that I have known for close to 25 years. Isn't that amazing, Mike? So Michael Childs, please, Mike, tell us a little bit who you are and what you do.
Yeah, sure. Thanks, Mark. My name is Michael Childs. I have been in the baking industry, in the food industry for just over 25 years now. Um, right now, I am currently a principal development scientist with Conagra Foods, based in Denver. But my roots go back to Toronto, and that's where I think you and I met, Mark.
That's where we met. Yep, yep. And yeah, we were doing work together with you guys at Guelph. I think it was somehow in connection with the Guelph Food Technology Center.
Certainly, I was involved with that group.
Yeah.
Guelph is my alma mater. And it's funny when I think back, when I went to Guelph for the very first time, I really didn't have an intention to be in food science. I had other interests,
Interesting. Oh,
other
wow.
things I wanted to be involved in. Yeah, shocking now, isn't it?
Yeah.
But while I was there doing my undergrad, I fell in love with food systems. It was just an awesome, wow, you mean I get to eat my experiments?
Yes.
That's awesome. Gotta love that. So that was the start of it. And I had the opportunity of doing a master's there, which set me up really well. A master's of food science gave me a great grounding in food systems. And that's really stood me well over the past years.